Okay, and there you go. The new countertops are coming in. See the reinforcement for the sink here. Countertops over here. And the guys are moving the sink in now. Take a breath.
Hay que darle para arriba. Hay que escuchar esto.
Okay, so here we have a bathroom sink counter. Had to do some last minute special work on this one here because this end of the old countertop had to ramp up, so I had to take a 3/4 inch sheet of plywood, make a new countertop for it, and then on this banjo end here I had to take the planer and plane it from about 3/8 of an inch to a 1/2 inch here, and then it's 3/4 inch over there. But you can see the result is that the slab is perfectly flat now. And you can see the gap in here where I put the new one. And this one here, I just had to cut that out in the last second here. Wasn't sure if it was going to fit or not. But yeah, sweet. Looking forward to having this done. Good. Looks good. So we had the desk come out to the trim. Then I'm going to take this piece here and flip it around. Okay. Everything's got a really good fit on it. Then the tile backsplash will cover all the gaps nicely, so no problem. Countertops are all in now. Need to do the backsplash yet. So it'll be a white tile, and I'm thinking of doing a 4x12 in here as opposed to the 3x6 that's in the bathroom. It would be a foot high here, and then this whole thing all around. So yeah, I like it. We've got a couple of other things I need to do too. But everything is coming along very nicely. There's only one thing that I caught that I don't like, and that is there's a breakout. And they glued it back together, and here's some white epoxy, and there's black epoxy and black epoxy. So they did a pretty good job of blending it in, but still I'm not happy that there's a breakout right here, right at the frickin' sink, you know? But everything else looks to be okay. You know, it's just the way it goes, you know, sometimes. you get it right in your face, just right there. Not everybody would ever even notice that. If I didn't mention it, you would never know it. You would never know that there was a breakout there. So anyway, I got to go pick up faucet and a instant hot and put those in here, and keep on working. Then the bathroom over here turned out very nicely. Get some light on it. So the bathroom is looking good, and what I'm going to do is I've decided I'm going to bring some tile up and across with a chair rail on top of it. Then the mirror will go there and the light for the vanity, and it's 37 inches wide and 6-inch wide mirror and light. And if I want, I could put a soap dish here and a toothbrush holder there. So I'll think about it. It's not really something that people use all that, wouldn't need all that much, but on a small counter space, it'd be kind of nice to have a soap dish up off the counter. So, okay. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to put a bullnose tile around this, and that will take care of that. Okay, then I've got there. I was having some fit problems, and I found a toilet that fits more tightly to get me more space up here. So now I have ample space between the bowl of the cabinet. That's the thing about small bathrooms, you have to do what you can to make it work. And I'm still kind of upset that that new window is not going to be here until the 20th, because I'm trying to get this thing on the market by next week. So I've got a lot to do. Next week's probably, it's looking like it's not going to happen. It looks like the week after that. So anyway, okay, that is the rental house sale update, the remodel and selling of it. Okay, see you on the next video. And a few still pictures here. This is the undermount stainless steel sink, and you see the 2x4s on the sides of it to support it. And that is what it looks like after it's got the countertop installed on it. And here's a couple of different exposures showing the colors and features of the granite. This is a more exposed picture. This is the infamous chip repair right in the middle of the front of the sink. This is the marble floor in the bathroom, grouted, and you see on the right side of the countertop it's a 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch towards the left. And I had to do that because there is a ramp up which was making a gap under the countertop. So the countertop now sits nice and flat under the repaired counter that I put on there. So I hope you enjoyed this video and found some useful information in it. Your comments and likes are appreciated, and you are invited to subscribe. I will see you on the next video, and thank you for watching.